Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is already part of your everyday life. You might not realize it, but AI is running quietly in the background, making daily tasks easier and smarter. Let's start with your smartphone. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, that's AI-powered face recognition. When you type messages, predictive text and autocorrect are using AI to guess what you mean and suggest the next word. AI is also behind voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, helping you check the weather or set reminders. Streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify use AI to recommend shows, videos, and music you'll probably enjoy. These systems analyze your history and compare it with millions of other users to predict your next favorite thing. When you shop online, AI suggests products, applies personalized discounts, and even powers chatbots for customer service. If you've ever received instant help on a website, chances are you were chatting with an AI assistant. AI also plays a huge role in navigation. Apps like Google Maps and Waze use AI to analyze traffic in real time. That's why they can reroute you instantly if there's an accident or heavy congestion ahead. Behind the scenes, AI is working in banking and finance, detecting fraud, speeding up approvals, and keeping transactions secure. In healthcare, AI assists doctors with medical imaging, predicting diseases earlier, and even helping discover new medicines. Even social media uses AI. It decides what posts appear in your feed and which ads you're likely to click. While this can be convenient, it also raises questions about privacy and how much AI shapes what we see. So, AI isn't just in labs or tech companies. It's already everywhere, shaping how we live, shop, travel, and learn. The more you notice it, the better you'll understand both the benefits and the challenges of relying on AI. In the next tutorial, we'll explore the ethical side of AI, looking at fairness, bias, and responsible use.